Yes, good people, welcome back to the channel. So today we're sat in the Mk4 Golf. We got a bit of a fun job to do today, and it involves the sunroof. Now the headliners on Mk4s tend to start sagging and eventually you need to replace them. This headliner ain't too bad, but the sunroof cover, yeah, the cover off that is completely gone, and you've got this horrible foam stuff that's all sticky and it makes a mess. It goes all over your seat, all over my shoulder. Yeah, it's not fun. So I want to get that off, clean it all up at least. I'm going to go to a shop up the road that does fabric, see if I can get anything that'll work, but if not, we'll just clean it up, possibly leave it out for now and come back to it just to stop all this mess. Luckily, to remove these sunroofs, you don't have to take the whole headliner down. If I stick the ignition on, you put the sunroof on the tilt, there's a little trim panel there, you remove that, and then there's three, I believe they're T25 screws either side of the sunroof. Undo them and then you can remove the sunroof, and then there's four Phillips head screws on the other side of this shade cover, whatever you like to call it, and that just slides out from the top. But we'll see how it goes. We'll take this out. Hopefully I can leave it out for now so I can put the glass back in if I can't find any material to repair this for now, but at least get all this orange sticky stuff off, and yeah, we don't end up with all that schmuck everywhere. Right, so let's get this trim piece off. I believe, yep, oh yeah, there you go. That pops out just like that. Okay, there you go. There's the three screws. 1, 2, 3, same both sides. Sweet. Right, now this should just slide out. Oh, there you go. Cool, that's heavy. One sunroof out. So now we got all the screws out. We need to slide this back. This is in the actual runner as far as it will go. I've already done that side. I've already done the far side, so then we should be able to gently slide the cover out, and there you go. She is nasty. Alright, so now we got that dirty thing out. I was just looking at these little guides for the sunroof cover, and they literally just pop out. So I'm thinking, definitely for now, because it's pretty easy to get this sunroof in and out, is I'm going to take these out and leave that cover off for now, and give all this a good clean up, and that'll give me a chance to find a decent bit of trim to reline that sunroof cover with. So I'm going to clean all that up, remove these, stick the glass back on, and for now I think we are good to go. So I've given that a bit of a clean up in there, all the plastic trim, but you can see that orange stuff, it's like sticky and just marks the trim, so I will try and clean that a little bit better next time I get this off, but you can't see this, so yeah, it's a bit of a pain. It's not very nice stuff. Oh. Chickens having fun over there. Let's leave them to that, but I've cleaned up the sunroof as well, inside and out, so I'm just going to refit all this back in. Like I say, leave that cover off. It should be okay because it's only little guides that sort of float in a rail, so it shouldn't affect how it works. But let's get it back in and see if the sunroof works without the sunroof cover in there. So there you go, she's all buttoned back in. What I did realise after, this trim piece comes out as well, it just pops out there and it's in a little slider just to give you easy access to the screws and to get this back in. They are marked left and right, so you won't mix them up, but let's see if the sunroof works with no sunshade in. Okay, so it closes. This is the important bit, sliding it back. Okay, and then, oh yeah. Yep, that'll ding dang do for now, I reckon. We've got no orange rain coming down every time we get in the car. Yeah, there's no sticky foam everywhere, so I think I'll call that a win for now. Let's give us a little clean up on the inside as well. It is a bit grubby over the years, but she is 25 years old, and to be honest, I don't really use that cover anyway, so I'm not bothered if it's there or not. If you can really see, it's this little bit there, but I will clean the cover up and stick it back in. I'm gonna, like I say, I'm going to a shop now, see if I can get some trim for it. So if I'll get some trim, I'll do a video on it, cleaning it up, re-trimming it, and then putting it all back in. But for now, I'll call that a win. We got a sunroof, we got no orange rain, and there is a little bit of wiggle room for adjustment with these screws, but I tried to put the screws exactly where they were before, so when you loosen them off, this roof can move a little bit to the side and what have you, so just make sure when you put it back in, it all lines up front and back on the outside, so we should be good. So if we get any leaks, I know to take this off and adjust it. So there you go, we got a working sunroof again. Taking the sunroof cover off, we got no orange rain. I will come back and re-trim it, but yeah, I think for now that'll do. We'll call that a win. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you all very soon. Thanks for watching. Peace.